Krishna Govinda Govinda Gopal Nandlal, Govinda Govinda Gopal Nandlal. So Krishna's name is Govinda, and Govinda means one who controls the senses and one who controls the cows. This name was given to Krishna when Indra does the Raj Abhishek for Krishna. So I was describing that how the whole Surabhi Kund was full with the milk from Mother Surabhi. So this milk was taken for the Abhishek of Krishna, which Indra personally performs. And this Abhishek was performed at Govind Kund. So Govind Kund is the place where Abhishek of Krishna was performed, and this is the time when Krishna got this name Govinda. Also many thousands years later, like very recent in the past, there was this great Vaishnava saint Madhavendra Puri. So once Madhavendra Puri was in Vrindavan at Govardhan, and he was sitting near Govind Kund. And while he was sitting there at Govind Kund, a small boy came to him and he handed over him some milk to him in a bucket, and he said that you have not eaten anything for past 2 days, you must be hungry, so you please have this milk. Now Madhavendra Puri, this top devotee of the Lord, and his heart was so attracted to this boy, and he wanted to know more about this boy. And he asked this boy that, my dear boy, how do you know that I have not eaten anything for past 2 days? So this boy told that I stay in a close by a village, and my family members told that you have not eaten and I should come and give it to you. And see, this is my job. Like I see here that everybody gets sufficient food and all. So that is why I have come. You finish the milk, I'll come in the evening and I'll collect the bucket back from you. Saying that, that small boy goes away. Madhavendra Puri was completely absorbed in the thought of this boy, and he was thinking again and again, who is this boy? With that thought, he sleeps at night, and at night he gets a dream. In that dream again, that small boy was there, and that boy says that I am actually a small deity of Krishna who's here, below the ground, and I am staying here, I am starving and nobody is offering me any food, no bhoga. So I request you to please help me, save me, pull me out, excavate me. So Madhavendra Puri, next day morning, he gets up and he starts digging. He called the neighboring villagers and they all start digging. And then a beautiful deity was found of Srinathji. So Madhavendra Puri starts worship of this deity at Srinathji's deity. So this place, Madhavendra Puri's Baithak, is also there at Govind Kund, and this deity was later shifted to Nathdwara. So now in Rajasthan, so now when we want to have darshan of this deity, we should go to Nathdwara in Rajasthan, and we can still have the darshan of that same deity who personally came to Madhavendra Puri to give the milk, and he came in the dream to tell about his whereabouts, and that is how Nathdwara deities Srinathji have come into our, where we can worship him, where we can serve him. So he has mercifully come to accept our services. Hare Krishna.